Okay, I think this is the last question na, is this DMW accredited and legal, Ma'am Apple?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
May
Talagang yes,
pagbago.
yes.
May validation.
You can check. You can check it with BMW website. So yeah, ang ating employer in the US is accredited with the MWO and BMW.
Wow,
So
that's
very legit.
Yeah, no scam.
Exactly.
Anong DMW license number? May pakulis ka lang.
Yung number natin, yung license
Send na lang
number.
yung certificate.
Actually, nandun sa mga flyers namin, guys, sa mga
yes.
posters namin.
Yes.
So, nandun po yung license number namin, DMW.
Yes.
So, and the job order number.
Yes,
and
and
order.
yes,
And the job order.
Yes.
Oh,
All
oh.
checked by DMW.
Yes, and MWO.
Yes.